Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. I'm here to help guide you through the pain scale 1 to 10 assessments. So what is a pain scale assessment? Pain is a complex experience that can affect people both physically and emotionally and can range from mild to severe. To help quantify this pain, healthcare professionals use the pain scale from 1 to 10 to measure pain intensity. The pain scale is based on the 10-point system, where 1 represents the lowest pain of mild and 10 represents extreme pain, classified as severe. Healthcare professionals can quickly diagnose the issue and help alleviate pain right away. Practitioners can assess conditions over time, especially if undergoing a procedure, and help those with chronic pain. This is just one tool alongside many others, such as the Wong-Baker Faces Pain Scale or the Visual Analog Scale. It can be used by any healthcare professional, but mainly by doctors and clinicians. Here's how to use the pain scale assessment effectively. It's rather simple, with the first step being to indicate the pain on each scale for the past 7 days. Then interpret the scores to identify pain levels accurately. Once completed, feel free to add additional notes if needed. To access the pain scale sample assessment, you can visit our website at carepatron.com. To access the templates, click on the Templates section. You can filter by community as well as by notes or assessments. To find the note faster, feel free to type in the keyword. Edit however you'd like and click Publish to complete.